So what I'm about to tell you, you're going to be very, very shocked. I know. Many, many times you've come here and you thought, what is he going to speak about today? And today, by the end of this video, I'm going to convince you that you need to stop believing in yourself. And you're going to say, I'm absolutely crazy. Why would I not believe in myself, Fran? Stop believing in yourself. Now, you're just like me. When you was a kid, sometimes I've even been guilty of telling my own kids this. You constantly say, believe in yourself, believe in yourself. You can only get where you want to in your trading journey or in your career or whatever if you believe in yourself. It's what I tell our children. Now, recently, I've been watching a lot of different content in relation to how to reprogram our mind. And what believing in yourself actually does is, well, it keeps us exactly where we are because we only know what we know now. So when we believe in ourselves, we're believing in our old belief systems. Now I've got your attention and you really start to understand, right, this could be interesting. Because if we do keep believing in ourselves, why do we tend to never get anywhere? Why can we never accomplish those goals that we want to accomplish? Because believing in ourselves is believing in the old belief systems that have got us to where we are right now. And we can't make the breakthrough because believing in ourselves is not the person we need to be to get where we need to get to. Now, I know what you're thinking. How am I going to then change this? And I want to bring this into trading. Now, if you've got an issue with trading, maybe you can't get that profit. Maybe you take a payout the first time you can take a payout. The minute it hits your payout from criteria, you take a payout. You don't have money. You don't have a lot of money in your account. You're not very good at holding money in your account. I was like that for years and years and years. And this is what brought me to make this video because I thought, if I was like that for so long, sure there's other people. And it massively, massively affected my trading. So believing in my old self and what I used to think was the way to get forward was actually just sabotaging my progress. And I was actually staying where I was, if not getting more frustrated because I could not achieve the goals because I needed to believe in a new self. That's the key, believing in a new self. And 2025 is coming up, and this is the time for you to believe in a new self. Now, I'm not going to go into this video about all the things you need to do to create a new version of yourself, right? There's loads of content out there and they do work, manifestation, meditation. Even ice baths really, really get you because what they do is they make you do something you don't want to do. So you create discipline. There's plenty of things like that. But what I want to break down and what I want to go into now is your mindset and your subconscious mindset around trading and money. That's what I want to break down. So what we've got over here, my friends, is this. We have got over here, let me bring this over here right for us now so we can see. This is our subconscious program, and you can see right here. And our subconscious program is when we're washing the pots or when we're just chilling out or when we're just going for a walk and we're not really thinking. It's the program and that has been developed via our parents, our friendships, our environments when we're youths all the way up to adulthood, unless we become aware of these things. And most people, when they come into trading, are not aware of these things because they don't understand that these are the things you have to tackle to be a successful trader. Why do you think 99.9% of the people fail? Because they don't want to do this work. So if you're serious about trading, watch this video to the end and share it with people who need to understand what I'm just about to say. So your subconscious programming in your brain is our environment and our childhood and our beliefs. It's like when we look at certain things, our perspective. Everything around us is reality. That's reality, okay? That's the stimulus. It's our reaction through our belief systems that is then going to decide whether we make a bad decision, whether we make a good decision, whatever our thoughts are. And that's what makes us all unique. So our subconscious mindset, if we are not in control or good with money, we are going to have thoughts like this. Okay? I hate money. Why is it taking so long for me to be a successful trader? Money is hard for me. Affirmations don't work for me. I don't attract money. That's for everybody else, all the other traders that do 10, 5 contracts. That's for them. These thoughts are in our subconscious mindset if we have not been programmed and are not aware of this. And I know what you're saying, right? And I've said that quite a lot. Well, that's not me. I'm really, really positive. I don't think things like that, Fran. That's what I thought, my friends. That's exactly what I thought. If you're in my community or you've ever worked with me, you know I am ridiculously positive. Every single day you'll see me turn up ridiculously positive. With a wife and 4 children and all the things, I'm ridiculously positive. And I never thought for 1 minute that these thoughts would be in the back of my mindset until I couldn't understand and break down my relationship with money, which I am still on that journey right now. And this came through going to find out what are these blockers. Now, if you're sat there and you say, well, I don't want that because I want to be rich. I want to trade full time and make 10K a month. I want to do this. That's what everybody says. And you can't figure out why it's not happening for you because your subconscious mindset is happening every single second of the day, even when you're asleep. But you're not aware of it because you've not developed the skill to become aware to even look into it. And what this causes, my friends, okay, is waves, feelings, negative feelings towards these thoughts. And you don't know why you're feeling this. It's because you're not aware of these thoughts. And these feelings are, why can I not be successful? It's not for me. Maybe I should give up. Maybe trading's a scam because there's so many people that maybe just sell a course and don't trade, or trade and then do a little program. Whatever it may be, these thoughts. And what you've noticed is a lot of people out there have maybe failed in trading that start to call it a scam. Remember crypto? Everybody called it a scam, and still is sometimes, but if you're getting the right crypto, it's not. And these thoughts are related to your subconscious mindset, and you don't even know that you are thinking this. So don't think for 1 minute that I don't have those thoughts. I hit the gym every day. I'm really, really positive. I'm hardly ever in a mood. I want to do this. I'm building a business. I'm trading. That's me. That was me. And now I've got my head around it and I understand it. But that's what I do every single day. But still I have blockers. So you could have this subconscious mindset that's actually getting in the way. Now, for some people, the hard part is how do I get around that? Because you're needing to rewire this subconscious mindset, all right? And that then brings me onto our conscious mind. Our everyday, we're aware, self-awareness. I've got a book down there. Make sure you read this book, by the way. Unbelievable book. Go and read this book. It's a weekend read. Maybe read it over Christmas. Ask your partner or your children to buy this book. Awareness, especially if you're into God as well. This will help you. Big time, right? And this will help you with your conscious mindset. So when it comes to the conscious mindset, we need to start rewiring our brain by speaking to our brain. Remember, if you go to your subconscious mindset, your mind is controlling you. You don't want to live a life where your mind is controlling you because you're going to make bad decisions left, right, and center. Trust me, I know. I did it for decades. You want to be controlling the mind, which means you program the mind. So what we're going to say things like, and you can use this as affirmations. You can write these things down. Some people think that, it's a furu kind of thing. Trust me. I would never have got where I needed to get to in my professional football career or in trading or as a father or as a husband if I did not write things down and rewire my brain. There's a great book, What to Say When You Talk to Yourself, 2 book recommendations that you should get. And these really, really help you. They've rewired your brain, okay? So the universe has my back. Let me just get a nice big green because we need green on this one. The universe has my back. I'm worthy of money. Money is an energy I love. Money will empower me. It's empowering. I'm fully balanced in life around money. When you start to talk to yourself like this and you're in a trade and it's a $10,000 trade or a $15,000 trade, the subconscious mind will not be able to creep in and make you panic and close it at $2,000 or close it at $3,000 or close it at $100 because you're trying to get passed on your prop firm. All right. It won't allow you to do that. And then what this does is these feelings, these, how can I put it? Affirmations, self-talk, whatever, they now then create successful waves that go through your life every single day. I am successful. I can pass my funded account and get payouts. I can hold onto that account and get to 20,000, 30,000. It can change my life depending on where you are around the world. I have a lot of people who watch from India. Big shout out to everybody in India. I know that $10,000 is 10 years worth of wages in some parts of India. That is life-changing money. It might not be for a lot of people that we live in the Western world or whatever it may be, but in places like Philippines, Thailand, India, that's life-changing money via prop firms. And this is the type of mindset of what you really, really need to say to yourself. It's very, very important of how you perceive yourself to the world. Very, very, very important. Now, this does not mean that you're not successful. There's successful people out here who are already getting massive trades or already doing well in their life, but they still have a block to get to the next level. So I want to stress the importance of what I said at the beginning. When people say believe in yourself, I say from today and for 2025, don't believe in yourself. Believe in the new self. And that means you need to go and develop that self. This is a journey. I'm 45 years old next year. I feel like 25. I feel like this is just beginning. I see people morbid talking about their age, they're 40 and things change. You know what that is? Subconscious programming that they think a 40-year-old is middle-aged or well, he is middle-aged, or his life starts to slow down. Subconscious programming, if someone's conscious about their looks or whatever, subconscious. This is what you need. Conscious mindset will create the person and the mind and the belief systems for you to be successful. Very, very important. Okay, so if you want to know more about this and you want to obviously get funded in 2025, there is a link below. What I want to do is try and help as many people as possible, but obviously my hands are tied because I work very intensely with people on a one-on-one basis. So there's only a limited amount of people that I can work with at once. We've got many people who have done well there. Someone's just took another payout just before Christmas. They've hit around about $24,000 at pounds or dollars, and they've only been trading for about 9 months. So I'm delighted to see that. So if you want to jump on that for 2025, you know where to go. Hit the link below, book a call with me. Me and you will have a chat and I'll take you to that next level. Merry Christmas, because this video will just come out before Christmas. Happy New Year, and I'll see you all soon. God bless.